Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload image to Drive using link through N8N. First, we prepare a sheet. In this sheet we will keep our links. Let's take a blank sheet. Here we will put the demo name, then the image link, one column for the live link and one for the date. Alright, now let's get some images from Google. For example, let's take a flag image. We don't need to save the image itself, we only need to copy its link and paste it into our sheet. Next, let's take another one, maybe an army photo. Let's open that image in a new tab, copy the link and paste it into the sheet as well. Now we have two images, which is enough for the demo. Our sheet contains the demo names and links, but it can hold any number of links. Next, we will upload them and then add the live link and date once uploaded. For that, let's go directly to the N8N panel. We'll create a new workflow and give it a name, for example, Image Upload Demo. The first thing we'll do is connect to the sheet. Instead of on row updated, we'll choose on row edit. This way, whenever a new row is edited with a new image link, the trigger will run. In the document field, select the option by ID. Go to your Google Sheet and look at the URL. Copy everything that comes after /d/ and stop before the next slash. That copied part is your spreadsheet ID. Paste this value into the document ID field in N8N. Now select the sheet you want to use, in this case it is Sheet 1. We have selected the demo sheet, and now when I fetch it, we can see both links coming in. The next step is to download these images. For that, we'll use an HTTP request. We'll keep it as GET and pass the link there. When I execute this, the images will be downloaded. You can even view them if you want, though it's not necessary, the images are already downloaded. Next, we'll upload them to our Google Drive. For that, we'll select Upload File, connect it with the same email address linked to our Google Drive and configure it. If you want, you can assign a file name dynamically from a variable or keep a random name. For this example, let's just call them Name1 and Name2. Go back to your Google Sheet and in the title column write the names for each link. For this example, put Name1 for the first image link and Name2 for the second image link. Now return to N8N and execute each node again step by step. First, fetch the data from the sheet so the new titles are recognized, then run the workflow. The files will upload to Google Drive with those names. After execution, check Google Drive to confirm the images are uploaded, and then verify in the sheet that the live links and dates are updated correctly for Name1 and Name2. Currently, they are going to my drive. If you want them in a specific folder, you can create one. For example, I created a folder called Image Upload in my drive. I'll select this folder so the images get uploaded there. Now let's execute again and the files will be uploaded to the Image Upload folder. Now we can see both images were uploaded, and their live links and dates have been updated in the sheet. Let's quickly check the sheet. Yes, the live links are there for both images. If we open the links, we can see that the uploaded images match the original ones. So this is how you can upload any image to your Google Drive and keep the data updated in your sheet. This is a simple flow. So in this way, you can upload any image to your Google Drive and keep the data in your sheet updated automatically.